Different. Do you know what this is?
Yes.
Berry.
Yes.
Yours. Sebab sama colour pakai baju.
Huh.
Okay?
Ashan, what colour is that, Ashan?
Let me help open for you.
Ashan, what colour is that?
Dia boleh makan coklat kan?
Boleh, favourite dia.
Yeah. Yeah, take it out, take it out. Yes. Take it out. Yeah. You want to open this one? Can. Okay, berry. Sikit je makan.
Dia rasa dulu.
You okay? You want more? Which one? You want the milk chocolate? Is it milk chocolate? Got white chocolate? What's the white one? Which one? This one, milk chocolate. White chocolate.
Yes.
Yes. Yes to which one? This one. Okay, open this one. Wah, happy makan. Ini dah macam raya putih macam coklat.
Kan?
Yeah. One more ah. 2 hands.